Alright guys, my name is Slavik. We're here back at Rav Collision. Another update on the GT3. So the tub was finally put in. Clip to a montage of all that.
So as you can see, we finished the front tub replacement. We actually just replaced the front section of the tub. Dealer only sells us a complete piece, but basically to save time on labor, we just replaced the front section because only damage was to this part. This is the front, and that's the basically floor part. We didn't have to replace the back piece because that was untouched. We riveted everything back together. Welder still has to come in and weld 2 spots on this side, and then there's 2 more spots on the bottom. But all the rivets, we got some rivets were brought from the dealer, some rivets we just had to buy locally. But besides that, I mean, the job came out actually really clean. So I mean, it looks actually really good, as you can see. So the job halfway is done. The biggest part is done, replacing the tub. But next week I'll start putting all the cooling back together and fenders, stuff like that. So we'll have the update in about a week or so. So the right side fender has been already installed. Sprayed the cooling underneath. It's all done. Sides. Bar is already in. The scoop air duct in. Lock for the hood latch. Installing right now the left side fender, and we'll be doing the cooling system install.